In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Klaviyo for beginners. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes reach their audience more effectively. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your email marketing strategy, Klaviyo offers a range of tools that can make the process smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, we're going to navigate to the Lists and Segments section. This is where you can organize all of your contacts. Think of this area as the foundation of your email marketing efforts. It's crucial to have an organized system for managing your contacts, and Klaviyo makes it easy. Start by creating what we call a main list. This list will serve as the primary place for your newsletter signups. It's important to give your list a clear and descriptive name, like newsletter signups, or maybe something more tailored to your brand. This way, as your contact list grows, you'll be able to easily identify and manage it. Once you've set up your main list, the next step is to go to the Sign Up Forms section. Here, Klaviyo provides a variety of pre-built templates that make creating forms a breeze. You'll want to focus on creating a pop-up form for your website. Why a pop-up form, you ask? Pop-ups are a highly effective way to grab the attention of your site visitors and encourage them to subscribe to your newsletter. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Klaviyo offers a range of customizable options, so you can ensure the look and feel of the pop-up matches your website's design. Now, here's a pro tip. Consider offering a discount in exchange for an email address. This strategy can incentivize visitors to sign up as they see immediate value in joining your mailing list. Think about offering something like a 10% discount or free shipping on their first purchase. Whatever you decide, make sure it's enticing enough to encourage that subscription. Take a moment to customize the text and design of your pop-up. You want the wording to be clear and compelling, letting visitors know exactly what they'll receive when they sign up. Once you're satisfied with your changes, go ahead and integrate the form with your main list. This ensures that every new sign-up is automatically added to your list of contacts, saving you time and effort in managing subscriber details manually. With your pop-up form ready to go, you're all set to start capturing email addresses and building your audience. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is not just about growing your list, but about maintaining it. Regularly review your lists and segments to ensure they're up to date and continue to provide value to your subscribers. To recap, we started by organizing your contacts in the Lists and Segments section, creating a main list for newsletter signups. Then, we moved on to designing a compelling pop-up form using Klaviyo's pre-built templates, offering an incentive like a discount to encourage signups. By following these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging Klaviyo's powerful tools to enhance your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for getting started with Klaviyo. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your marketing tools. Happy emailing!